I wake up at 2:45 a.m.
What's it?
That was today. That was today because I had a lot of stuff to get done. Um, I'm not perfect at organizing my day. It is a work in progress for me. But I gotta say that what I do is I wake up early in the morning. Ideally, I wake up between 4:30 and 5 a.m. Not that I want to wake up at 4:30 or 5 a.m. It's because that's when no one else is awake and allows me to get in the right mindset for the day, read, journal, plan, so that when the day starts and I'm prepared for the day, as opposed to waking up at 7 a.m. and immediately all the kids are awake and you have to tend to their needs, and then you're right into the office and you're just being reactive. When you wake up early, you can get ahead of things and plan your day so you're not reacting to things, you're acting on things before they happen. And that creates a much less stressful environment and makes you an overall better person and a more successful individual.